guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? If you're new here, you're highly welcome. Kindly hit on the bell notification and subscribe to my channel so that you're one of the first to get a notification anytime I upload a new video. Yeah, so we've just finished the festive season. A lot of us have gained weight, yours truly inclusive. So on this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can eat healthy. Okay, eat healthy, minimize carbohydrates, take lots of veggies and fruits and fiber. Okay, so that is basically what this video is going to be all about. It's going to be a very short video because I'm just going to make something very simple which you can also make from the comfort of your home. So guys, let's get cooking. In a saucepan, add a little oil, vegetable oil. Okay, just very little. Remember that the aim is for us to eat healthy. Okay, so after adding a little oil, the next thing I'll be going in with is some onions. Okay, so I'll be going in with my onions, ground ginger, garlic, and fresh pepper. Yeah. You guys already know that ginger and garlic are very nutritious. They are very medicinal. They are medicinal rather, and make your food taste so lovely. So I'm going to be giving this a quick stir. Remember that you're just little, very little oil. Okay, because the aim is to eat healthy. And eating healthy does not mean that you leave out a particular, except you're suffering from, even if you have some kind of ailment you are suffering from, it doesn't necessarily mean that you would forgo one particular food for another or particular ingredient for another. Okay, the hack to eating healthy is to eat everything in the right proportions. Yeah. Meanwhile, I am doing this on low heat because if it was on high heat, I bet you this would have burnt. So when you're doing yours, try to also do it on low heat. Another thing cooking on low heat does for you is that it retains the flavor and the things that the food is supposed to give. But when you overcook it, it tends to leave it very bland and rip it of all the nutritional value. Yeah. So having said all of that, the next thing I'll be going in is my chopped fresh tomatoes. So I'm also going to give it another quick stir and allow this to cook excuse me, for a couple of minutes. Yeah. Okay, so guys, the next thing I'll be adding is stock cube. I'll just be using a little tiny bit, like half stock cube, and I'm using Knorr, right? I'm using Knorr stock cube. So I also give it a quick stir. And just because I want to incorporate protein into this meal, I'm going to be adding some fish that was grilled into it. Give it a quick stir and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Yes guys. Okay guys, so this is okay. Like, I like my vegetables, my food to be fresh, and like I mentioned earlier, it doesn't make sense that you overcook your meals and rid it of all the nutritional value and benefits. So the ingredients I'll be adding now is leafy green vegetables, that's ugu, and there's one I bought in the market. I don't know the English name. Yoruba people call it shoko. Okay, so that's what I'll be adding now. And once I finish adding it, I'm going to give this a quick stir and let it also cook for a couple of minutes. Yeah, remember I'm still cooking this on low heat, and the reason why I'm cooking it on low heat is that I don't want all the nutritional value and benefits to be lost in the process of over cooking it. So yeah, you should also learn to cook your meals on low heat. Don't overcook them so that all the nutritional value is not lost. You understand? There are some people that when you see their meals, you can literally see that this food, they don't panel bitter with it. Nah, it's not supposed to be that way. So I'm going to let this cook for just maybe like a minute, but not more than a minute. Yeah, and I'll serve it. Okay, so you can also Google to know the benefits of all the ingredients that I've used here, and when you do, you would agree with me that whatever I'm doing right now is going to benefit anyone that is on the path of healthy living. Remember to incorporate, like I said, healthy living is incorporating the right portions and ingredients at the right time in your meals. Not that you say, I'm not taking carb, I'm not doing this. Even your body needs carb. So what you need to learn how to do is how to incorporate it at the right amount in your meal. Okay, so that's it basically. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you're one of the first to get a notification. I also want to thank those of you that subscribed recently, especially my sisters, colleagues. I'm so appreciative of your subscriptions, because as at the last time I made a video and I was saying that I was at 297 subscribers, right now I'm at 328 subscribers. So I'm totally grateful to you guys. I'm talking too much. Let me turn off this before it's overcooked. So I'm totally grateful to you guys. Okay, I've turned the fire off. I'm totally grateful to all of you, and trust me, I didn't have the zeal to make a video today, but because I want to be churning out nice content for you guys, because I want to be giving you guys insights on what to cook and other things, that is why I'm making this video. So thank you so much. And if you're watching me for the first time, or even if you've been watching me before, you haven't subscribed, please hit on the bell notification. Remember, my target is to get to at least 1,000 subscribers and 4K watch hours on YouTube, so that my channel is monetized. Yeah, so let me show you the rest of the meal and how this is going to be a healthy meal for you if you try this now and dish this and serve it. Yeah, you can see that it's still very fresh. I love my meals fresh, and you should also strive to ensure that you make fresh meals. Yeah, so I'm serving it. I'm sure some people will be wondering, what's this auntie doing? Why is there cucumber in this plate? My sister or my brother, whatever, provided you know that all the things you're incorporating in your meal are healthy, it doesn't have to make sense to anybody, right? There's protein. If you watch this meal, my carb is my sweet potato, which can also serve as fiber. There is also cucumber, which can also serve as fiber. Always ensure that you have enough fiber in your meals and vegetable, right? So like I was saying, it actually doesn't have to make sense to anyone. You are the one eating the meal. You know what you want to achieve. So this is just one of the healthy ways that you can eat. You can also do this, this vegetable, you can use it to eat rice, you can use it to eat plantain, and if you're on ripe plantain is best if you're trying to not spike your sugar level and all of that, you get. So that is it, guys. You can use it to eat rice, but as you can see, the portion of my sweet potato, it's not plenty, so your carb shouldn't be like a lot, because you'll be deceiving yourself if you're saying, I'm trying to do this and I'm trying to do that, and your carb is over the roof. Okay, in fact, my veggies, this vegetable sauce is actually very little for this carb, but that's the quantity I made. So guys, let me know in the comments if this is something that you are going to do, and when you finally do, can you come back and let me know? Because it gives me joy that when I churn out these recipes, when I cook these meals, someone else tries it and see that this thing I'm saying is not like I'm hyping it, that this is actually healthy, that it actually tastes nice and all of that. So thank you so much guys for watching. Continue to subscribe to my channel, share it on your socials, so that I would get to 1K subscribers and 40K watch hours. Thank you so much guys once again for sticking around, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.